Pipeline is the best place for you to find just about anything that you might possibly need as a student. So when you are registered in Pipeline and you're logged in, then the Student tab is where you'll find just about anything that you might possibly need. So, for example, if you have actually forgotten what you registered for, which, believe it or not, that happens more often than you might think, you can come down here to My Classes and click on Registration, and then click on either View Course Schedule or Student Schedule by Day and Time or Student Detail Schedule or even My Class Schedule, and all of those will bring up the courses that you're taking for the fall. If you are curious about your account balance, this is where you'll get that. If you want to look at your account summary by term, here's where that is. Academic Profile will give you where you are in your degree plan. This is where you can make payments. You can click around in here and find all kinds of things, but those are the big things, especially for an online student. Most of the rest is for students who live on campus. If you have any questions, anything at all that we can help with, please don't hesitate to ask.